I like pills and Percocet.
Big Draco, not the little one, nigga. The fuck is you talking about?
Yeah, working that Draco, I'm going to the top.
How you feeling right now?
Small black man.
I see that. A few times.
Yeah, look at this nigga. That's that stuff right there. Jeez. Come with that drink, this big cake.
Lizzie got that. Lizzie!
Like that stuff?
I love that stuff.
I'm on the jump, man. Say what's up, man.
Damn, y'all. What's up, cuz? We at a gun show right now. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know what we messing with. This joint got new to me, bro.
You about to stretch this bitch, man.
Damn. You heard big cuz.
Flip the can. That's what I need right here.
Some weight to it.
This right here.
I like that stuff.
Some stuff right here. Go through it. I don't know. Nigga, what you mean? That's what I got in the crib right now.
This joint really crazy, bro. Heavy. Nice and heavy, chat.
That's what I have in the crib right now. Just like.
How you like that stuff?
See, you get something small when you
hide it. Yeah. You right?
You trying to hide it.
How y'all like that stuff, Dave? How you like that stuff, Dave? How you like this stuff, Dave? Real nice, bro. Ron, how we feeling? How we feeling, Ron? My man Ron says SEAL Team 6. Okay, man.
I don't need none small.
I don't want to have a 19.
This don't look John familiar, don't it?
It's the smallest Glock series right here.
We'll do.
This don't look familiar, don't it?
The smallest Glock ever.
I would use that.
This?
So you wouldn't? To kill you.
It would.
You saw that.
That shit right there.
Yeah, you saw it a few times.
Yeah. Look at this nigga. That's that stuff right
I already
there.
made comment.
Holy. Yeah. How you pull these sights up? How you pull the sights up? It's supposed to be a button on this. I'm trying.
It's perfect. Now, go close up on my favorite gun right here. Yeah.
That stuff?
Do me a favor, plug that back in for me.
That stuff? Sweet. I'm trying to get me a Drake, bro.
The crazy thing is, like, all these Glocks, they're all Glock 19s or 17s.
Man, I turned 21. Man, on life. Look like that stuff right there. Wait, pick that shit up. They can get the finger in that jump. Okay, then.
He said, get that drink up.
That also comes with the bag as well. Like, it's a package.
It's groove, bro.
Like that stuff?
I love that stuff.
This jump do look.
I like the color.
I am trying to pick that bitch.
I ain't gonna lie. I got it.
Oh.
All the cool kids are doing it, get it? Fuck, worked on me when I was 16. I thought I'd try.
Oh. Hey, that shit right.
They record that drink and
get this.
Hear me.
This is beautiful.
Like that stuff, Dave?
I'm actually interested in it.
Ooh. This is some high caliber stuff. Crazy caliber stuff.
I like your watch.
Thanks, man. It's a helm. Coming at an angle. Press this button or this.
I know. You know,
I like pills and Percocet. Yes. That's nice.
You could also get a 100-round drum mag on the internet for that thing as well.
You firm? You firm? Are you firm?
On the price? Yes. It's cheaper than the other ones you're going to see here, yes.
Like this drink.
yeah, Ron.
All your friends like it, it's already sold. You're like, I gotta have it now.
You gotta get it.
Nah, yeah, I grab it.
Alright, man. You wanna come sit down over here? I'll go ahead and start doing some paperwork for you.
Woo! Yeah, no way.
Man, get me, bro. You about to stretch
that bitch, twin.
Itching to get a drink.
Itching to shoot this bitch, twin. Do not let this security shit fool your ass, twin.
I'm just itching to hold that.
Stop filling out that paperwork, my boy. You want to run down on that real quick? My man about to get his paperwork done. My man about to grab that drink. Pop out on one knee with that drink. I'm a cunt. 2 blocks one day, nigga. That's me. I've been itching to shoot this bitch, twin.
Doing this shit to get out child support, twin. I'm itching to stretch one of y'all young nigga, twin.
That bitch, twin.
Nigga to take block, bro.
You cut stretching?
This is nice, though.
What's your one, boy?
It's called Fear Hearts. Small black man, boy.
I see that. I know what it is.
You guys have fun, right?
My boy happy.
Have fun. To this have fun.
How you feeling right now? Slime, get him a shot.
This ain't for no fun.
Ooh, okay then. Okay then, that joint. You are my man.
That's only for
My man.
Inshallah, by Allah, man. We about to get here without the bros, you feel me?
Everybody.
We made it.
I know what it is.
We made it.
Y'all know what it is.
I'm out here again doing it the legal way.
Doing it
Feel
the
me?
legal way. Really setting an example.
Nigga. Slick man.
Motivate
for the youth. Motivate for the youth. What else Stark say?
Slick man live.
Hey, what's up, DMV? Nah, let's go get this pistol, bro.
I'm trying to shoot this.
Yeah, I say grab a big Glock.
The check. Find a handgun this time. Y'all know what it is. It's my boy Rhyme. Sweet. Nah, for real. My boy D. We back in motion.
Nah,
I don't like that color.
Let me show them the Storm Hunter. Imagine Michael Myers with that switch.
Y'all looking for anything particular?
So you looking for smallest block. My man just copped his dog, bro. Just copped his dog. Not even a dog. Just copped his Drake. Been trying to get this done for like 5 years now. Gotta go hit the range and blow that motherfucker. Gotta stretch that. Yeah. I'll go to the gun range, strike this done real quick. Gotta go grab a pistol real quick too. Trying to get us a Glock. This bitch came with wood. I'm walking forever, I'm good.
Get a black one?
Now you looking to trade in to get something of ours, or you just want to sell it?
It's not that small.
My man got
It's
a
not.
pocket rocket right here.
Like that's like
Pocket.
Let me show y'all the true. This jump will itch, bro. This jump will itch.
Yo, I need a pen.
This jump will itch in here, bro. I know this shit for props, bro. Nothing. Only props. Ooh. The camera guy get it.
Same, look just like it.
What's this? Yeah, I was just looking at
I
this.
think it's like Mac, right?
What is it? Is this a what's it called?
No, Uzi.
No. Is this a silencer?
It's a silencer?
No, it's just a shroud. It looks like a
I
silencer.
get that.
You gotta do requests. Cause y'all like fine guns?
Absolutely, we can.
I'm looking for a tan 42.
So this is not no silencer?
Same color as this, but
See, that's that shit right here.
I see one like the last one.
Yeah, so we would have to send it out to get like Cerakote.
I like this. What is this?
I like that shit
It's only
too.
500. Bro, what is it?
Yeah, if I'm you, DJ, I'm talking.
Put it back in there.
DJ, that's crazy, bro. You can carry that.
4 or 5.
Bro, this shit too big, man. Yeah, working that Drake, I'm going with a guitar.
Yeah, I need one. Members, talk to me, bro. What we doing?
I need one, Rob.
Members, talk to me. This dude's a cruddy. And it's matching the QRs.
You can't leave here with none. Great guy.
It's a crazy custom.
Big, this matches you, bro.
That's nice.
This actually matches me.
We told y'all we wasn't coming, bro. Like, wasn't coming out empty-handed. You got that, ready, you got that drink ready to stretch that motherfucker. Drizzy got that what?
Drizzy got that Drizzy.
Drizzy got that Drizzy drink, got that Drizzy nigga, that's 60 a piece. Really some crease on the nigga on the whip made his ass stretch on the back street. I got after that shit really yummy, just fucking big block, got a couple niggas had me. Nah?
Big Draco, not the little one, nigga. Fuck is you talking about?
This bitch came
I killed the cookies. I only had 3.
You ain't using no gloves.
I can't. You gotta show your face. I don't know if you got it on me. Can't see this on me.
This guy new Drake just came with wood.
Yummy. That's that stuff. Oh.
Holy.
Sheesh. Yeah. That's that stuff.
Vodka.
Oi. Vodka.
You got it, see?
Why you got gloves on? I'm about to put the bullets in there. I don't really want to have
I got a new Drake. This joke came with wood. Whatever, I'm good.
Safety on there?
Listen to this guy. He's always talking about safeties.
Nah, get this out.
Better to
Get
be
this out.
safe than sorry.
Get this out real quick.
What?
I just told you shit, DJ. Better to be safe than sorry. God damn.
Come with that drink. This bitch came with. You want to drink it, nigga?
Yeah.